Now we are coming to question number 5, number 8. The left hand side, this one, we have to bring out the answer 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Okay, it is the form of a plus b the whole square. So we can apply the formula a plus b the whole square is become a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let us apply this formula. Sin a plus cosec a the whole square is become sin a the whole square, that means sin square a, and plus 2ab, 2 into sin a into cosec a. Okay, now b square cosec a the whole square, that means cosec square a. So it is, I apply this formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Again it is a plus b the whole square. The same format you can make. A square cos square a plus 2ab, 2 into cos a into sec a plus secant square a is secant square a. We apply the same formula, a plus b the whole square formula we applied. Right, now we can simplify. We know sin square plus cos square equal to 1. We know. Took together. Sin square plus cos square will be taken together. Sin square a plus cos square a, and the result is 1 plus. So 2 into sin a, right? In the cosec a you can put into 1 by sin a, because sin is 1, so cosecant is equal to 1 by sin, or sin into cosecant you can put 1 also, we can put directly. It can be done. Cosecant is 1 by sin. Okay, plus is done. Cosecant square a. Listen now. We cosecant square a minus cot square a equal to 1. Cosecant square a equal to 1 plus cot square a. The place of cosecant square a, we can put 1 plus cot square a. Cosecant square a can change into 1 plus cot square a. Right. Plus cos square taken here. So here 2 into cos a into the secant is 1 by cos. See that? Cos a into secant a is 1. Secant equal to 1 by cos a. Or you can say cos a into secant a 1, you can put directly also. Cos a into secant a 1 can be used. Okay, plus the secant square a, form number 5. Secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. Secant square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. So 1 plus tan square a. So now the sin a cancel it. The cos a cancel it. Okay. Now sin square a plus cos square a values become 1. Sin square a plus cos square a, the value 1. Yes, sin square a plus cos square is 1. 2 into 1 is become 2. Okay, plus 1 plus cot square a plus 2 into 1 is become 2 plus 1 plus tan square a. Now you can see, you can add the numbers. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. That's our answer. Right hand side, root. Okay, let's go to question number 8.